Are you looking for top-notch restaurant cleaning services in Scottsdale? Trust System4 of Phoenix to keep your eatery spotless and inviting. We're all about keeping your place shiny and sparkling clean. We know the ins and outs of restaurant cleaning, so you can focus on serving up great food. We customize our cleaning plans to fit your schedule and budget. Plus, we work around your busiest hours to keep things running smoothly. From the front of house to the kitchen and even the restrooms, we've got you covered. With our restaurant cleaning services, Scottsdale, every nook and cranny will shine. A clean restaurant doesn't just look good, it keeps customers coming back. Let us handle the dirty work so you can wow your guests. Our friendly, fully trained staff truly cares about your restaurant's success. We take pride in showing up on time and doing the job right. We tackle everything from stubborn grease stains to high-touch spots. With us on your side, your only focus is on making delicious meals. Whether you're running a cozy cafe or a bustling eatery, we're ready to tackle all your cleaning needs. We help you maintain top-notch standards day in and day out. We're always up to date on health codes, so you can count on us to keep your place in tip-top shape. Rely on System4 of Phoenix for reliable, stress-free cleaning. We believe that a tidy environment sets the stage for any restaurant's success. Our mission is to make you shine and keep your customers happy. Plenty of Scottsdale restaurants already rely on us for thorough, dependable service. Let's keep your place gleaming so you can focus on the important stuff. We use advanced cleaning tools and eco-friendly products, always putting safety and quality first. No detail is too small for our dedicated team. It's time to see the difference of a personalized cleaning approach. With us, you'll discover just how spotless your restaurant can be, minus the extra stress. Give us a call at 602-314-6800 or visit https:/system4phoenix.com/Scottsdale Restaurant Commercial Cleaning Services to learn more. Creating a cleaner tomorrow today is our commitment to you.